Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Chinese government scholarship East China University of Science and Technology ECUST. Okay, and I also discuss about Shanghai government scholarship for international students and ECUST presidential scholarship. So how you apply for this scholarship, and must watch the complete video, because if you don't watch the complete video you cannot understand and you cannot know the method of how you apply for Shanghai government scholarship. So in this video I will give you the little bit overview, but overview is very important for you, and in next video I will tell you how you apply for CSE scholarship completely, for Shanghai government scholarship, complete process which I tell you, and how you find and how many universities in which you apply for this scholarship, for Shanghai government scholarship, I will tell you in this video. So for complete method I will tell you in next video, but for overview and university list I will tell you in this video. So no point came on point to Chinese government scholarship East China University of Science and Technology Authority. Chinese government scholarship East China University of Science and Technology for master and PhD students. This is for CS scholarship is for master and PhD students, but I think Shanghai government scholarship is for bachelor, master and PhD as well. But Shanghai University President's East China University President scholarship, East China University of Science and Technology President scholarship is only for PhD. So no, came to the point. Chinese government scholarship. Sorry, dear, I will making a video. So after making a video, I will reply as soon as possible. Okay. East China University of Science and Technology for master and PhD student, fully funded, 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD student, and 10th April 2020 is the last date. Online apply and send documents to the university. Okay, all international students can apply. Age limits for master and PhD students, and you can apply with English proficiency certificate. If you don't have an IELTS, then don't worry about this. IELTS is not mandatory in this university. For how you apply for this scholarship, first you fill CSE application form, and the CSE agency number is 10251, and second you fill your online university portal. And a little bit confusion about online application for portal. What's the confusion, I will tell you in this video, and I will clear your confusion. Don't worry about this. You can must pay 600 RMB application fee before applying, and attach the receipt with documents, fee receipt with documents. This is the bank account name in which you deposit the 600 RMB or 90 USD dollar fee. So result will be announced at the end of July. This is the mail address for the university in which you send your documents. Okay, this is a CSE online CSE portal. On click here to apply. How you fill the CSE online application for portal, the link is always in the description, and how you fill the CSE or university portal, link in the description as well. But I will give you the overview how you fill this, and how you manage this online application portal, I will tell you in this video. But how two sets of documents to send to university, and of CSE online application portal, how many which documents required for this scholarship. CSE online application portal, and sign on it after filling this CSE application portal. Please sign on it, and when you print out the application form, and after CSE application form you must fill online application form, university online application portal, copies of highest notarized copy of highest education, notarized copies of highest transcript, study plan must be minimum of 800 word, 2 recommendation letters, other documents documents such as published papers, awards and certificate. If you don't have, then leave it. Photocopy of passport, home page, physical examination form photocopy, English proficiency certificates. It's not mandatory. If you have acceptance letter, then it's optional if you obtained. Otherwise, if you don't get acceptance letter, university will arrange a supervisor on the behalf of your department in which you applied. CIE means student of international education, college of international education, and upload and attach the receipt with documents. Okay, when you send your documents, then attach the fee receipt. Now we came to the ECUST university portal, and how you apply for How you apply for Shanghai government scholarship, all the procedure is same, but instead of filling CSE application form, you must fill Shanghai government scholarship form. How you fill Shanghai government scholarship form, I will tell you in the next video, because I think no, it's Shanghai government scholarship start from 1st of January, so we fill form on 1st of January. So tomorrow inshallah I will fill the form, and all the procedure is same like same like eCust for CSE, but in if you applying for eCust, if you apply for Shanghai government scholarship for eCust University, you don't fill CSE application form. You must fill Shanghai government scholarship form. And how you, if either you can apply for all this scholarship in eCust for Shanghai and president scholarship or CSE scholarship, I have no idea about this, because university will tell you about this. So now I would came to the point, and the main other things which you if you feel confusing about this, so I will tell you. Click here and go to the application procedure of Chinese government scholarship for eCust. Okay, these are the majors which they offering CSE scholarship: School of Material Sciences and Engineering, School of Biotechnology, School of Business, School of Chemical Engineering, School of Resources and Environmental Engineering, and these kind of things. Okay, and majors as well. So Road and Belt scholarship is same like CSE scholarship. Nothing will be changed, but only the name can be changed. The CSE scholarship, Belt Road scholarship, everything is same like CSE scholarship, because Belt and Road Belt and Road some specific countries in the list, but for BSc Chinese government scholarship program, every country students can apply. So now came to the 10th of April is the last date. Okay, now came to the to eCust graduation admission guide for international students. So in this major list for graduate for international students can apply for master and PhD students. Okay, how many types of scholarship which they provide: Chinese government scholarship A type A category, and in A category type bilateral program, EU program, AUN program, and all these things. Type B Chinese government scholarship program, Belt and Road program, and Sino American degree study programs. These are for American students. Belt and Road programs and university program is same. Okay, but in case of Belt and Road, only selected countries and which are under Road and Belt they can apply, but in for the Chinese university program, every country student can apply. And other is Shanghai government scholarship and eCust president scholarship only for PhD. Okay, again I say that you must confirm from the university that either you can apply for all these kind of scholarship, or at a time, or only one scholarship you can apply. Means if you applying for CSE, you also can apply for Shanghai government scholarship. Only university can tell you. Why? Because when you filling online application form, university online application form here, you must you can fill this form only once. So for once filling, you cannot filling in second time. So the university can tell you either you can fill second time for Chinese Shanghai government scholarship, or for it is okay once you fill the form, and it's okay for all the scholarships. So it depends on CSE, sorry, university. So what university says. So these are the required documents which they say though you can apply. And for filling online application portal, you must face a little bit problem. So which is the problem, I will tell you. Okay, now came to online application portal which they says, and I will tell you what's the problem which you face. So after discussing this, we came to the point. Okay, click on here, and PBOS is the captcha online application form. I click online application form. I deleted the previous application which I submitted, not submitted, in progress. Or click on online application. After clicking on online application, you can see only two options: self-sponsored or exchange student program. So how you handle this, I will tell you. And before coming this, I can I will show you that these are the account name and bank name and bank detail in which you deposit your 600 RMB fee. Now came to the point. Self-sponsored, I will tell you. You can see here online submit online application, log into eCust online application system, select online application, self-sponsored doctor, master student, and submit application material according to the system prompts. All applicants, self-sponsored or scholarship, are requested to submit application as self-sponsored, as each applicant applies only once. Please do not make duplicate application, means you can apply only once. And the self-sponsored and scholarship application also must select self-sponsored option. So these are the this is the confusion for the students. So hope you clear. You, if you don't find the scholarship option on this, you don't worry about it. You select your self-sponsored. And now came to the next point, and these are the Shanghai government Chinese government scholarship detail. This is that B categories detail, and how you apply for this scholarship. All the documents are same for every scholarship, but when you're applying for CSE scholarship, you must fill CSE form, and if you're applying for Shanghai government scholarship, you must fill Shanghai government scholarship application form. And if you're applying for eCust president scholarship, they mentioned that a little bit confusion I also faced, that please be sure to mark out I also would like to apply for eCust president scholarship in section 5 of application material 5, a study plan or research proposal. I think you can mention in your research proposal or study plan that you also applying for president scholarship, but this is only for PhD students. I have a little bit I have no idea about it. I'm facing a little bit confusion as well, that in which if you mention in study plan or not. So PhD students must confirm this. So how you I will first I tell you the overview of how you fill this form. Just give the overview, not complete the form, because students are facing a problem when they uploading documents. So I will give you the demo of documents, how you upload documents, and after that I will come back to the Shanghai government scholarship application form. So I click on the one of the any major English, it's apply on English. Okay, no, this is the form, but I came back for just for you and giving you the overview and which documents you should upload. Passport photocopy with visa page. Visa page is your third or fourth page of your passport. Blank page. Transcript previous page of graduation certificate, means your highest degree. The previous stage of degree certificate, I think it's same like the your highest degree and highest certificate. Previous certificate of transcript, your transcript, letter of recommendation, study plan, and valid certificate of Chinese or English language proficiency certificate, IELTS, and these kind of things. But if you don't have an IELTS, then upload English proficiency certificate. So these are the things, and all other things are forms. Form are same. And how you fill this form, link in the description. You can check in the description how you fill the university complete form. This form, which in described in link description. All the This is for all universities. So now came to the form of Shanghai government scholarship. How you apply for Shanghai government scholarship and which universities under in Shanghai government scholarship. Click here, and this is a link. Keep in mind and save it. Study.edu.asset.gov.cn is for the link for Shanghai government scholarship. Click here and click here for the review. So this is the form. In this video I will just give you the overview, but in my next video, because I cannot fill the form, it start from 1st of January. First means tomorrow it will open. So I will tell you how you do this. So these are the list of universities which offer Chinese governments, which offer Shanghai government scholarship. They also offer CSE scholarship, but they especially offer Shanghai government scholarship, and the stipend of Shanghai government scholarship is same like CSE. Means in other words, you can say this is the second CSE scholarship. They have no any concern with CSE. Means if on CSE you can apply on three B category scholarship, but in Shanghai government scholarship they have no limit. You can apply all these scholarship. Okay, all in universities. So I can select here East China University of Political Sciences and Law, and click on master degree, and click on the choose of the scholarship type. means scholarship is facing little bit problem. I think it's that problem. I think you can select scholarship A class. A class is full scholarship but fully funded at 3000 RMB, which they offer you the stipend, but monthly stipend. But in B class category, I think it's they provide 1700 RMB for monthly stipend. So this is the, and I agree and confirm and to next. How you fill this form? And this is the form. This is for the this is apply for the ECUST University for Shanghai government scholarship. But if you want to apply in other universities scholarships for Shanghai government scholarship, then how you find it, I will tell you complete process in next video. So watch my next video which I upload it. So don't worry about this. So I hope you you can understand all these things, and I will also tell you an announcement of Shanghai government scholarship for ECUST University. Click here, and so click here. Okay, no, this is the online portal form. No, I will give you the announcement official Shanghai application form official link. Okay, this is the announcement for Shanghai government scholarship for ECUST. It's a Shanghai government scholarship is announcement is different from it's vary from university to university. For ECUST University it has been started, but for Shanghai University, Tongji University, and other kinds of which I tell you in this university, Fudan University, Chongqing East China Normal University, East China University of Science and Technology, Shanghai International Studies University, Donghua University, and all these universities have own process to find out and have own date to apply for the scholarship. So this is for ECUST scholarship. You can see here master and I think master and PhD students can apply. All these these are same. So this one is for Shanghai government scholarship. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, and also come on our website here, and I also reply one time here. So here, come here, or for if you find anything like document sample, how you prepared other documents, you can check our website cscguideofficial.com. cscguideofficial.com. You can come here and watch everything which you want. Okay, and these are the samples and admission scholarship and other things. So we go to the samples, and inshallah today or tomorrow I will upload the samples like study plan, because the students are much confusing about study plan, how you make study plan, how you prepare personal statement, and these kind of documents. So don't worry about this. I will tell you inshallah in next video as well, that how you prepared these documents. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then come our YouTube channel cscguideofficial.com and cscguideofficial.com website. So take care of you. Met you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.